Here we will learn index law 6, where two defined base term with same power is divided each other. In index law 2, we know that if x to the power n division x to the power n, then we get x to the power m minus n. Here the bases are same but the powers are different, and if we divide them, then we get the same base, the common base, and the powers are subtracted. Here we will see that if powers are same, two different bases are divide each other, then we got the common power and these two different base divides each other. That is the first base divided by second base. Let us see some example. Say we got x to the power 3 division y to the power 3, that we can write as x to the power 3 division y to the power 3, and then x to the power 3 from index definition, x is multiplied 3 times, y to the power 3 means y is multiplied 3 times. Now x division y, if we group them, x division y, x division y, then this same expression we can written as like x division y, 3 groups, x division y and x division y, and multiplication among them. That means all these 3x will be multiplied at the numerator and all these 3y will be multiplied them at the denominator. But after rearranging this, we can see that the same base x times y, x times y, and x times y is multiplied 3 times. So we can write the base is a same common base is x to the power y, and multiply how many times? 3 times. So the power is 3. So we can see that x to the power 3 division y to the power 3 we can write at x division y common power 3. That means here what happened is two defined base with same power, if they divide each other, then we can write that common power and the base is division of these two defined base. Or alternatively, if we got division of two alternative base and then a common power, we can distribute that power on each of the bases, that is x to the power 3, y to the power 3, and then their division. So in general, if we have two defined base with same power and division, then we can take that common power and we can change the base by dividing these two defined base. Or if we have a expression where two different bases are divided and they got a common power, then we can distribute that common power on each of these bases. So let's do these two examples that will make this law 6 clear. So here x and y, x and 2, these two defined base, one base is x and one base is 2, two defined base, their common power is 3. That means here x is x and y is synonymous to 2. So x by 2 to the power 3. So this power will be distributed over each of these bases. That means we will get x to the power 3 division 2 to the power 3. So we will get x to the power 3 division 2 to the power 3 means 8. 2 times 2 times 2 will give 8. Here also, let us do this example. Here one base is 2x square, another base is 3y cube, complex base, a little bit complex, and they are divided together. And common power is 4. So if we consider this one as x and this one as y, or a and b, this is a and b, so a to the power 4, b to the power 4. So this whole thing, so if we have a divided by b and to the power 4, we will get a to the power 4 and b to the power 4 according to this formula. So here this whole part, 2x square part is the numerator, 3y cube is the denominator, and this whole power 4. So this power 4 is on top of this as well as on this. So we will get 2x square to the power 4 division, this division, 3y cube, and this power 4 is also on this. So 4. So this power 4 is dividing between this numerator and denominator. That is on both the numerator and denominator. Now, if we consider this numerator part, then this power 4 is on 2 as well as on x square. Because the index law 5, we saw that if we have x times y to the power n, we can distribute it like x to the power n times y to the power n. That means multiplication. So here 2 times x square, common power 4. So both 2 will get the power 4 times x square will get the power, x square will also get the power 4. Similarly here 3 and y cube, they got power 4. So both 3 will get power 4 as well as y cube will get power 4. So now if we take a little bit more space, we will get 2 to the power 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It will give 2 to 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 16. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. Here x to the power 2 to the power 4. So using power on power, that is law 4, we know that x to the power m to the power n gives x to the power m times n. M times n. So in that formula, x to the power 2 to the power 4 will give us x to the power 2 times 4. Similarly, 3 to the power 4, that means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. So we will get 81. Y to the power 3 to the power 4. So this y to the power 3 times 4. So we will get 16x to the power 2 times 4 is 8. 81 y to the power 12.